Bird and Kip. Episode 63. Kip's Note. Later, Bird found a new note. It said, "Yes, I live in the park. I live in a tree."
This person lives in a tree,
thought Bird.
just like me. I wonder who it is.
Bird wrote, "I live in a tree too. I am a bird. My best friend is a chipmunk." Later, Kip read the note.
Wow,
Said Kip.
that's just like Bird and me.
The next day, Bird found a new note. It said, "I am a chipmunk, and my best friend is a bird. We're just like you and your friend." Bird scratched her head. Then she sighed. The next morning, Kip ran to the pond. He found the bottle,
Yay!
cried Kip.
A new note.
Kip read the note. It said, "Hi, Kip. Love, Bird."